All right, so we go to Kitzur Shulchan Aruch, and we're on page number 15. And I just remember one thing. So last time you told me that one word was it was portion of the Torah. I said portion of Tanakh. So just so you know, so I have the first edition of this book.
Okay.
And I was learning with somebody else. So that person pointed out, so there are a few like typos in my in my edition. It's my edition from I don't know 12 15 years ago. I don't know, like very old. So so if you hear any incorrect things, so you let me know, and I'm going to like fix in the book. So I don't want to buy the new set because of this.
No. Okay. Most of it was pretty accurate.
So. Okay. So all right. So continue on page 15, and the same set of laws of morning Netilas Yadayim. So when we wash the hands as soon as we wake up. Okay. So CF number 4. One must wash his hands in such manner that the water falls into utensil. There is basin. Okay, let's see number 16. And not on the floor of the house. In the earlier times, it was common to have earth floors, and all the used water was poured out onto the floor. I'm not sure why. Like for me, it would look muddy. Not look, but even feel muddy, right? But that's what they're doing. Earthly floors, they would spill the water there. Okay, but not this water. Not this water from Netilas Yadayim.
So what water? It would be like what kind of water they would spill out onto the floor?
Like if they, for example, if they wash vegetables, if they wash meat,
like that.
So I mean, if they wash their face, right? So
let me ask that: do we always use a vessel for washing, besides the morning and like going into the shul? Like, let's say we're coming out of a bathroom, like at work.
Yes.
You always have to use a vessel.
For the it's not. We didn't get to it yet. It's not necessarily, but it's very preferable. I mean, if there is no way for you to store this vessel anywhere, right? That's a different.
If it was my business, I could do it. But if I work for somebody, just be, I don't know, like where I could like just leave a vessel in my bag or something.
That's exactly what I was doing in my office.
Really? You kept the vessel on you?
Yes, yeah. I mean, in my desk, I had a desk, so
okay.
I leave it on my desk. That's it.
Yeah, I don't know. I work at a pawn shop. We don't really have desks.
Okay, so you don't. But you can wash a cup.
Like a plastic cup.
Yes, you can wash. You can use a plastic cup. There is no problem. But yes, but now when you say into utensils, so we're talking about basin.
Right.
So it's a little different. Yeah.
I know it. I have a bit.
Yeah, exactly. We learn here that it should not be done with the water in the morning Netilas Yadayim, since it carries the harmful ruach ra. So ruach ra, it's a bad spirit, right? As we discussed last time. Rather, it should be poured into a vessel and then taken out of the house and discarded. When washing into the sink, one can wash in the usual manner, since the water drains away, so which is no problem. For example, if you wash in a bathroom, so in your home, you have this cup in your restroom, so you can wash there, and there is no problem. Okay. Continue with Kitzur. It is forbidden to benefit from the water used for washing. Commentary, for example, feed the animals or wash the floors. Okay. So basically, it's so harmful. This water is so harmful. You have to destroy it. Get rid of it at least.
Flush it down the toilet.
Yeah. Or as they say, or even pouring into the sink. But not do not use for anything else. Especially in the olden days when all of the water they were getting from a well, and I don't know how far this the well was. It's a big deal to get water.
Right.
So they would try to preserve and reuse water as much as possible. Okay. For a ruach ra spirit of impurity, rest upon these waters. For this reason, when discussing discarding the waters, one should pour it out in a place when people do not walk. So it's so harmful. So they have to even care about other people. That's scary stuff. So 18 commentary. So that the Ruach Ra does not harm the passersby. Okay, Mishnah Brura. So that's how harmful it is, right? Okay. So and especially in olden days, maybe people walking barefoot. That's also an issue. Yeah.